Hi! As you can see from the title, this is taught on how to make this shadow in form of video, not picture. So I'm not the best at explaining or touch, so please forgive me. I'm trying my best to explain though. Let's start, shall we? Prepare your overlay vid first. This is the overlay I'm gonna use. Exchange the vid to overlay. Why my vid has two? Because one of them's suitable for the main vid and the mirror shadow, the orange background. And one of them's suitable for the front shadow, the green background. Just me confused about the layer. Sped up. Remove the background using chroma key and adjust the intensity and shadow until it looked clear enough. To make the front shadow, you can duplicate the main overlay. To make the shadow, if the shadow is behind the main overlay, you can make it to the front by using layer option. Shadow, go to adjust. Set brightness and contrast to 50. Go to graph. Set all the color white, red, green, and blue to 255, 0. It will make the character become black for shadow. Bingo! Scale the shadow and lower the opacity. Sped up. I'm checking the vid. Duplicate the main overlay character. And make the layer lower than the main overlay by layer option. Go to transform. Click mirror, then rotate to make the character upside down. And move the mirror shadow below the main overlay. Lower the opacity. And done! You can adjust both shadow due to your liking. Here my result.
Boom, eso me parece cool.
Reggaeton champán, pam 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 pam.
Reggaeton champán, pam 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 pam.
See ya in the next vid.